Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Isolate power and bleed the compressor to 0 psi. This prevents sudden discharge. Once done, measure the damaged section and mark 1/2 to 1 inch past corrosion so you cut into solid metal. Use a quality pipe cutter for a square cut. Make sure to support the line to avoid twisting. As you cut, hold steady pressure and inspect the ends for burrs. Prepare replacement pipe and fittings, and have PTFE tape and sealing compound ready to apply. This speeds sealing and prevents leaks. You now remove the damaged segment carefully. Use 2 wrenches to counterhold and loosen fittings sequentially, because sudden tension can crack nearby joints. Once free, deburr and clean the cut pipe ends. This ensures proper seating and seals. Dry fit the new pipe and couplings to confirm alignment and clearances. Make adjustments before final assembly. Then wrap PTFE tape clockwise around male threads and smear a thin layer of sealing compound on top. Tighten to specified torque so threads compress without overstressing the pipe. You finish by repressurizing slowly. Open the supply valve a little and bring the system up to working pressure while watching joints for signs of seepage. Once at pressure, inspect for bubbles with soapy water. Bubbles indicate a leak that needs tightening or resealing. If a joint weeps after tightening, depressurize and reapply PTFE tape or replace the fitting. As a last resort, install a mechanical repair sleeve or clamp rated for compressor service. If it still leaks, consult a qualified technician to avoid safety risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.